Hey guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video, I'm gonna be checking out the new Mina color coding collection. This one is 503. If you know anything about Mina, is a vegan and cruelty-free brand, and all the products, instead of a names, they give a number, so everything is like a color coded collection. So this collection we're gonna be creating a makeup look and checking out what we have. So we have the 503 collection. We got lip products and eye products. I got 4 products in total. It looks like a proper nudes. So we got the eye product, 24-hour cream eyeshadow. Now this product is not brand new to me. I've tried different colors and trust me, when they say 24-hour wear, they mean it. I mean, it literally stays on your eyes for 24 hours without creasing or anything like this. If you have hooded eyes and oily skin like I do, this will literally stay on your eyes for 24 hours. Okay, so I think without any further ado, let's start from the eyes. I'm gonna use my finger first and then I'm gonna use the brush to blend it. So just gonna go, ooh, like a creamy. Less is more, guys, less is more. So we're gonna go for monochrome look because we have eyes and lids products. So as you see, I'm just going with a finger first and then I'm just gonna use a brush to like gently blend it off. For the brush, I'm using Crease Blend by b.u.beauty. If you don't know this yet, guys, this is my brand. Vegan, cruelty-free, and eco-friendly. There's no plastic packaging or anything like this. Sensitive skin friendly, mega soft. So as you see, I'm just like buffing the edges. So just making this look soft. Alright, so because we are using the Mina products, I'm gonna quickly apply the Mina 900 24-hour wear eyeliner. This is my go-to eyeliner, by the way. So I'm just gonna quickly do that. Okay, a bit of a mascara, and then we can try the lip products. So for mascara, I'm gonna go with Mina as well, 24-hour Level Up mascara. Yeah, there's just one layer. Crazy, right? This mascara as well, I say 24-hour wear, and trust me, it is 24-hour wear. Like literally. No dots, no nothing. Okay, I'm gonna apply a bit of mascara on this eye. I'm gonna quickly do my face, so foundation and so on, and then we can check the lip products. We'll see you in a second. Okay, so face is done. Let's finish off the lower lash line. So I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow that I used before, the 503, and I'm just gonna use Precision Shadow Brush by b.u.beauty that comes in the Essentials Eyes set. Just done that. Gonna go lower low lash line. So alright, let's apply a bit of mascara on the eyes and we can do the lips. Okay, so for the lips, I have 3 products. I got the lip liner, automatic lip pencil 503, then the long wear lipstick 503, and then lipstick 503. So I think I'm just gonna use the long wear lipstick because it's exactly the same shade, and the lip liner, but I'm gonna open up all and show you how it looks. Let's start from the lip liner. So the automatic lip pencil in 503. Just like this. Just line the lips. Okay, for me, it's a perfect nude on my skin tone, you know. Really love this lip liner. It's just glides so easily. Let's apply the lippy. Wow, amazing. Lippy, I'm gonna go with that longer lippy. There's a message in here. Just like this. Like a liquid lipstick. Oh, I got the color. Wow. You guys, wow, the shade is just perfect. Look at the lip shade. Wow, I love this monochrome look actually. What do you guys think? Okay, let's just quickly see the lipstick 503. Exactly the same shade, it's just a lipstick. I actually prefer long-wear lipsticks, so the one that I have on my lips, that will be my daily go-to, but this is amazing. And this is the finished look. What do you guys think of this 503 collection and this monochrome look? Gonna be honest, Mina is one of my favorite makeup brands. I love it. It's vegan, it's cruelty free. Like, there's so many things I love about Mina as a brand, and so far their products didn't fail me. I think few products in the past that I reviewed I wasn't really keen on to, but this collection, love every single product. The eyeshadows, as I said, is not the first time I tried from it. The 24-hour cream eyeshadow. I tried different shades, it's in different videos, and all last literally on the eyes for 24 hours without creasing, crumbling, fading, or like you name it. And if you, like me, have oily skin and like hooded eyes, it's not gonna, you know, crease into the hood or under hood or anything like this. Super easy to blend, so definitely highly recommend these cream eyeshadows. Now the lip pencil, I tried in different shades before, and it's super creamy, easy to use, the long-lasting lipstick. I actually have one in a red color. I don't remember the number now, like on a spot, but it does last all day long. Like, I can do quickly. Oh, I just have some foundation on my hand. 1 second, I'm gonna do like a kiss test so you guys can see that it doesn't stay anything. Just cleaning foundation because I was applying on. Okay, you ready? Clean hand. So definitely long wear, long-lasting lippy. You can drink, you can eat food, it's still gonna stay on the lips. I tried it, talking from experience, with the red color, like I did videos about it, so I'm sure it's up on my channel if you want to check it out. Let me know in the comment down below, should I do more like a color coding collections or monochrome looks, more reviews, more tutorials, what you like to see from my channel next. If you enjoyed this video, as always, don't forget to press a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Have a fantastic day, guys. Ciao!